Scots, I'm Tessa Agerton.
And I'm Jesslyn Botello. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Remember, Scots and staff members, today is our second annual blood drive at Highland.
Be ready for your time slot. Thank you for taking part of an amazing event helping people around the community.
Let's get into the school announcements for the week.
First up, as we get closer to spring break, the Dean office has 2 quick reminders.
First, even though the weather is getting warmer, the school dress code still applies. Make sure you're dressed appropriately for school each day.
Second, confetti eggs are not allowed on campus. They create a mess and can lead to conflicts between students.
Any confetti eggs will be confiscated and students may face disciplinary consequences.
Let's keep Highland clean and stay away from the Dean's office. Next up, attention juniors. CAS testing is coming up soon and the dates are March 17th and March 18th. And March 24th and 25th, testing will take place during periods 1 through 3 on those days.
Juniors, make sure you report to your assigned testing location in the morning. Your teachers will have more information about where you need to go.
Also, please remember that the library will be closed during these testing days, and the campus Wi-Fi may be slower than usual in the mornings due to testing.
Good luck to all of our juniors. Plat up.
Finally, seniors, this one's for you. Want a chance to earn some extra cord to wear to graduation?
If you've been involved in programs like FFA, ASB, National Honor Society, College Bound Club, Red Cross Club, or helped with a campus-sponsored community service project, you may qualify.
Make sure to fill out the application before the deadline on April 3rd. Don't miss out.
Students will be notified by the end of April if their application has been approved.
If you have any questions, stop by 4PG to see Ms. Thomas or visit Mr. Moran in the counseling office. Good luck, seniors. Wait, Scots, don't go anywhere.
Scots Weekly is just getting started.
Watch where you're going.
It was an accident. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? It's fine. It's not even worth it.
Bro, I don't even understand this. I'm really annoyed. I don't care.
What the heck is wrong with you? You know what?
Excuse me, the girl during lunch is trying to fight you.
She is?
Yes.
How do you know?
I don't know. I heard people talking about it over there.
Oh, really? Okay, so I heard everything you've been saying.
Guys, don't fight. This isn't right. You guys shouldn't be doing this. Come on. You guys are grown women.
Welcome back, Scots.
You already know what time it is.
It's time for sports.
What's up, Scots? I'm Julian Jackson.
And I'm Chris Castillo. Welcome back to sports.
Let's jump straight into today's sports announcements.
Big congratulations to the Highland Robotics team.
3 Highland Robotics teams have officially qualified for the VEX Robotics State Championship.
The teams earned their spot after competing in the County Robotics Tournament hosted by North High on February 21st.
They will compete at the VEX Robotics State Championship on March 14th at Cal State Bakersfield, which is tomorrow.
This also marks an incredible milestone for the Highland Robotics. 12 consecutive years qualifying for the state level.
And for the first time ever, Highland has 3 robotics qualified in the same season.
Congratulations to Team 7619W, Team 7619S, and Team 7619T, and all the students who worked hard on the season.
Let's wish them the best of luck, and they represent Highland High School at state.
Great job, Scots. Our Highland swim team will be competing at the Mount San Antonio College Swim Meet this Friday and Saturday. Good luck to our swimmers as they represent Highland.
Our varsity boys tennis team will also be competing in a tournament here at Highland starting Friday at 8 a.m. and continuing throughout Saturday afternoon. Come out and support our Scots if you can.
Meanwhile, JV tennis boys will be competing at the West Bakersfield tournament at Stockdale High School beginning Friday at 1 p.m. and running through Saturday. Good luck to our JV players. Our varsity softball team will be finishing up their Redwood tournament on Friday. Let's wish our Lady Scots the best of luck as they finish strong.
Track and field will be competing at the Mount Whitney Pioneer Invitationals on Friday from 2:30 to 8:30 p.m. Go Scots!
And finally, baseball players, don't forget that Baseball Picture Day is happening Friday from 4 to 5:30 here at Highland.
Good luck to all of our Highland athletes competing this week. Let's show our Scots pride and cheer on our teams. Go Scots. And that's a wrap for sports.
Hope you have an amazing day, Scots.
Stay winning. Peace out, Scots.
Thanks for the update.
Now let's head over to Chloe 101.
Hello, Scots. Welcome back to another episode of Chloe 101. Quarter 3 ends today, and as quarter 3 comes to an end, let's check up on our Scots. Hello, who am I with?
Elijah Press.
And what was your hardest class this quarter and why?
My hardest class was probably AP Calculus. It was pretty hard because we always got a lot of work every day, but Miss Martinez is an amazing teacher, and she made it easier.
I agree with that. Thank you. Hello, who am I with?
Edward.
And which teacher has helped you the most and why?
I think Mr. Newton, because when I need help, he's always there. In the lunch or after school, he's always there to explain the problems or something.
That's amazing. Hello, who am I with?
Alejandro Bijo.
And have you ever pretended to understand something in class that you didn't?
Yes.
What class?
English.
Quarter 3 wrap-up check. Let's see those grades, boys. High fives. High, boom! Boom, and then we have to hit the dab. Okay, so it's a Scott's birthday. What is your name?
Frank Salinas.
How old are you?
16.
Okay, let's all sing happy birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Woo! I hope you have an amazing day. Hello, who am I with?
Señor Delgado.
And how has quarter 3 been for you?
It's been great.
5 big booms for me. Boom, boom, boom.
Boom.
Zavala, I have my work to turn in for the 3rd quarter.
What? I'm eating right now.
But I finished my work.
But the quarter just ended. Like, it's not my fault you turned in the work late. I'm sorry, but the grade is already.
Oh man. Reminder, Scots, turn your work in on time. Thank you for watching this episode of Chloe 101. And make sure you pad up and have a nice day and be kind to others because you need to be kind. Bye! Thank you, Chloe.
We have some breaking news.
Hi Scots, I'm Lily with some breaking news. Seniors, listen up. Grind Night tickets are officially sold out, but don't panic. You can still sign up for the wait list in the finance office ASAP. If a spot opens, you'll be the first to know.
Hey Scots, I'm Celeste with some breaking news. Want to be a leader on campus and help shape Highlands culture? ASB applications are now available in the finance office. Make sure to turn them in by March 18. And don't forget, class counselors' applications will be available in April.
Highland football is bringing back Powder Puff, and it's time for the juniors and seniors to hit the field. If you want to participate, pick up a permission slip in room 7J. Make sure to turn it in by Friday, March 19th at the end of lunch. Remember, Powder Puff shirts are required and cost $30. This event is for juniors and seniors only, so don't miss your chance to be a part of the action. Get your permission slip, grab your team, and let's make this year's Powder Puff unforgettable.
Hey Scots, I'm Reagan.
And I'm Stephanie. Let's talk about dress code.
Dress code isn't just rules for the sake of rules.
It helps keep our school safe, respectful, and focused on learning.
Wearing the right clothes shows that you're ready for school and ready to learn.
It also helps create a positive environment for both students and staff.
Remember that dress code applies every day.
So let's all do our part to look sharp and represent Highland High with pride.
That's a wrap for today.
And as always,
remember to plaid up.